In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your TikTok is not working. So I have prepared multiple ways you can fix your TikTok app if it's not working. But before we get into the video, please leave a like and subscribe. So I recommend restarting the app and your device as the first step in troubleshooting. So if your TikTok is open and it's not loading, just close it. And to restart your device, just hold down the shutdown button and turn it on and off again. Also, weak data or Wi-Fi signal can also impact your experience on TikTok. Try to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to troubleshoot whether it's the issue related to connectivity. If that also doesn't work, then go to your browser and type in "is TikTok down?" And then Google is going to tell you, are they or are they not having any problems right now? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.